अब कब मुलाकात होगी? When do I see you again? When do I see you again? वह थोड़ी देर में वापस आ रहा है। He will soon come back. He will soon come back. मैं उससे मिलने के लिए उत्सुक हूँ। I am longing to see him. I am longing to see him. वह नर्म दिल वाली है। She has a gentle heart. She has a gentle heart. आप उस दिन क्यों नहीं आए? Why didn't you come that day? Why didn't you come that day? उन्होंने आपको याद किया है। He has asked for you. He has asked for you. सारी कोशिशें असफल रहीं। All the efforts failed. All the efforts failed. वह मुझसे 1 साल पीछे है। He is junior to me by 1 year. He is junior to me by 1 year. वह गणित में मुझसे आगे है। He is ahead of me in mathematics. He is ahead of me in mathematics. स्कूल जाने का समय हो गया है। It is time for school. It is time for school. लड़का स्कूल नहीं आया। The boy did not come school. The boy did not come school. क्या कोई फालतू कॉपी आपके पास है? Do you have a spare notebook? Do you have a spare notebook? मुझे अपनी सेहत की चिंता है। I am worried about my health. I am worried about my health. वह आँखों का डॉक्टर है। He is an eye specialist. He is an eye specialist. उसका स्वास्थ्य बिगड़ गया है। He is run down in health. He is run down in health. मेरे पैर के अंगूठे पर चोट आई है। I have hurt my big toe. I have hurt my big toe. उसके सब दांत ठीक हैं। All his teeth are intact. All his teeth are intact. उसे दिल की बीमारी है। He has heart trouble. He has heart trouble. मुझे बुखार लग रहा है। I am feeling feverish. I am feeling feverish. किसी डॉक्टर को दिखाओ। Consult some doctor. Consult some doctor. आपको नियम से व्यायाम करना चाहिए। You should exercise regularly. You should exercise regularly. वह अपना वजन कम करने की कोशिश कर रही है। She is trying to reduce her weight. She is trying to reduce her weight. मेरे वापस आने तक यहीं रुको। Wait here until I am back. Wait here until I am back. ये बात मुझे समय पर याद दिला देना। Remind me of it at the proper time. Remind me of it at the proper time. फिर कभी आकर मिलना। Come and see me some other time. Come and see me some other time. उसने मुझे मदद मांगी। She asked me for help. She asked me for help. झील यहाँ पर बहुत गहरी है। The lake is deep here. The lake is deep here. वे एक दूसरे से नफरत करते थे। They hated each other. They hated each other. उन्होंने मदद के लिए चिल्लाया। They shouted for help. They shouted for help. क्या कोई तुम्हारा यकीन कर सकता है? Can anyone believe you? Can anyone believe you? तुमने पूरा पढ़ लिया क्या? Did you read it at all? Did you read it at all? नाराज मत हो जाओ. Don't lose your temper. Don't lose your temper. उनका मजाक मत उड़ाओ. Don't make fun of them. Don't make fun of them. वह ज्यादा तेज नहीं भाग सकता. He can't run very fast. He can't run very fast. उसने मुझे बताया कहाँ जाना है. He told me where to go. He told me where to go. उसने किताब को फाड़ डाला. He tore the book apart. He tore the book apart. आपके आने से बड़ा आनंद रहा. It's been nice seeing you. It's been nice seeing you. एक जरूरी काम आ गया है. There is something important to do. There is something important to do. क्या आज कोई अनुपस्थित है? Is anyone absent today? Is anyone absent today? स्कूल अप्रैल से शुरू होता है. School begins in April. School begins in April. स्कूल 3:30 बजे छूटता है. School is over at 3:30. School is over at 3:30. वह हमेशा काले कपड़े पहनती है. She always wear black cloth. She always wear black cloth. उसने मुझे अपना कमरा दिखाया. She showed me her room. She showed me her room. वह तेल में पकाया गया है. That was cooked in oil. That was cooked in oil. गेट को खुला छोड़ दिया गया था. The gate was left open. The gate was left open. यह चाकू तेज नहीं है. The knife is not sharp. The knife is not sharp. आपसे बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगा. It was pleasure talking to you. It was pleasure talking to you. यह आपकी दुआओं के कारण हुआ. It's because of your good wishes. It's because of your good wishes. दिन प्रतिदिन गर्मी बढ़ रही है. It's getting hotter day by day. It's getting hotter day by day. अपनी किताबें अपनी बैग में रख दो. Keep your books in your bag. Keep your books in your bag. मेरा भाई किसी तरह घर पहुंचा. My brother somehow reached home. My brother somehow reached home. मेरी माँ को खाना बनाना है. My mother has to cook the food. My mother has to cook the food. लोग मुझसे मिलने नहीं आएंगे. People will not come to meet me. People will not come to meet me. बर्गर खाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. There is no need to eat burger. There is no need to eat burger. तुम्हारे दिल में कुछ तो है. There is something in your heart. There is something in your heart. वह क्या करेगा पक्का नहीं है. What he will do is not decided. What he will do is not decided. उसके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है. What is going on in his mind? What is going on in his mind? आप मुझसे कहाँ मिलना चाहेंगे. Where would you like to meet me? Where would you like to meet me?